This is room 3539 at the Wilderness Lodge. This is a studio room, and we are at Boulder Ridge right now. Because this is a studio, it does not have a full kitchen, but it does have a microwave, a toaster, coffee machine, sink, and a fridge down here. There's that. Over on this side, we have the sink area with like storage below. Over here is a closet with extra pillows and a luggage rack. This one goes really far back. There's the safe back there. And over on this side is the bathroom. We have pretty regular standard bathroom, tub, and shower combo. This one has the overhead and the pull down, the rain shower and the pull down. Okay, moving on. Here we have the main bedroom. Got bed, queen size here, really cute. Pictures on the walls that are a reminder of basically like Yellowstone type stuff. Over here, so this is a Murphy bed, so the couch folds down, the bed comes out. I'll show you what that looks like. And here's the Murphy bed when it's pulled out. Look at that cute mural behind. And then this bed also comes down at the wall like this. Oh, cute. And it does fit an adult, a small adult, my size. Over here on the side, there's the television up on the wall. There's a few drawers here. And then some small seats down there. This would be an adjoining room. That would be that's what that door is. And then outside the door, it's a little small balcony. Nice view. It feels like we're in the forest here. And that is the pool. We'll take a look at that once it's open and the storm has passed.